Welcome back to episode 22. In this one, we're going to tackle all the dodgy bits that we saw the last time, grind them down, see what's in behind them, and hopefully get the welding work all finished up at the front. So it just leaves the build up for the paint shop and, well, the strip down as well. Need to finish off the rest of taking everything out in there, trims and stuff off, and door seals and stuff like that. So, on we go.
I was thinking about you, like drinking some TV. Felt like I was drinking. One more sip and here we go.
Okay, on second thoughts, I think I might be able to save this panel. Run a bit of weld right round it again. The panel itself isn't rusty, it's just the welds aren't great on it, so I've cut out the old welds, so I'll push this back into shape and just run a bead of weld the whole way out round it again, because there is a nice swage and stuff in it. It's almost as if it's been cut out of a donor shell or something, so it's the right shape. I'm going to try and save it. I've this stupid reinforcing bit or whatever it was he had going on here all cut off, so weld it from the top, buff it back nice and neat, and then clean up in here afterwards. So here we go.
Like drinking and more TV. Say, what was I thinking? Should never have said I do. killing me, you're killing me, you're killing me. Can't have enough, you're killing me, you're killing me, you're killing me. Can't have enough, you're killing me, you're killing me, you're killing me. When you fight against the time and you're about to lose your mind, it's easy to cross the line. There's no answer as to why when you look death in the eye.
Okay, so after some cutting and grinding, welding, it's nearly there. Most of the holes all welded up. I just have to take the intercooler out once I've got the bumper brackets sorted and sort in the areas down in there. But all the rest of it, I think, is welded. It just needs a heck of a lot of buffing down now, really. I've re-welded down all the patches and stuff there. Filled in any screw holes. There was a couple of grinding marks in around the top here where I had cut too deep in when I was cutting the strut top things off. I have welded up the fuse box holes up here. I have this patch to address still, but I think it's really one of the last now, thankfully. And this. There's always one more. So that'll be the next bit. You might have seen me in the background whenever Matt was grinding away and welding, trying to work out the bumper brackets. I have cut another slot either side of the existing ones, and the plan being that these will go in here like so. I will then extend this face here out 20 mil, so that's the difference between where they were and where they are, and then we fit then to use hopefully the existing holes to line them up. That's the plan. That was a close one. Disc has decided to disintegrate. There was no visible damage to it whenever it started, so thank goodness I had all the safety stuff on. But yeah, I was better get this changed.
I can hardly stand the heat, soaking underneath the sheet, burning like a flame within, blisters all over my skin, always a step behind, just like I'm going blind.
Okay, so we're nearly there. I'm not going to bore you with the rest of the cutting and grinding. You've seen enough you've endured enough of that. A lot of it is done. We've fixed all the wing rails and stuff, welded up all the holes in them, so that all just needs smoothed back. The rest of this mess needs ground back again, but anyway, front bumper is also on. We got the brackets adapted, and I cut another slot, as you saw earlier on. I don't know if you can see it or not. Cut another slot on the other side of the inner wing, so that the brackets now are moved from the inside to the outside. And we've bent and shaped the brackets that they now extend out to meet where we need them to. The next stage is going to be, hopefully for the next episode, that'll be to get the front kit all on, get it all fitted up again, check everything still fits, lines up. I'm going to send it on the car to paint all fitted up, and then just replace the bolts and nuts whenever it comes back one by one to get it shiny. I've heard stories of whenever they're in the oven that fiberglass can warp a wee bit, so I don't want that to happen, that I get my wings nice and shiny, but whenever I go to flex them to put them on, the paint crack or something stupid. So they're going fitted. Yeah, it's been a long road, and I'm very happy to be nearly done at this stage for paint. Still got a lot to do, right enough, but there's a lot of work to be done inside, etc. All this wire needs to come out of her. I have designed a bit of a custom dash face here. You may or may not have seen that on YouTube. The new dash is an AIM dash. It's a complete digital solution, so I'm doing away with all the 6-dial clocks and all the old analog stuff. Yeah, that will do me for this episode. If you like what you're seeing, hit the subscribe button, share button, hit the wee bell beside the subscribe button if you want to be notified of any current or new videos. If there's anything you don't want to see or you want to see, let me know, and I might at some point do a wee question and answer video to answer any questions that you might have about the project or what the route I'm going to be going with the project is. So yeah, give us a shout out if you want anything said and that. Bye.